We are out here. The dogs are, hey, Bella, look at this. Right there. You go right for, hey, you go right for my kale. You go right for my kale. Out here at the garden. I left the gate open, but that's okay. The girls came out here with me. I just gotta keep an eye on them or else my kale's not gonna be gone. Like this. Look at this crazy person. Hey, I saw that. You were about to take the whole stalk. Are you crazy? You are crazy for kale. All right, let's find a good piece. I mean, it's all good pieces, but this right here looks good. A little bit of bug damage, won't hurt you. Come here. All right, Bella. Look at those. Everything growing really, really well. I'm really happy with this, but all right, come here. Come on. Come on. We're going back to the yard. Hey. Come on. Bubbles, come on. Good girl. Herding cats with kale, pretty much. Hey. So, if you got the goods, they'll follow you. All right, come here. Sit. Bubbles, come here. Come here, Bubbles. All right, come here. Come here. Sit. Just a little bit. Okay. Oh, I didn't get that on camera. Sit. Sit. Just a little bit. Okay. Are you gonna get any? Okay, you didn't get any. Why don't you get some? Or do I need to break it off? I'll break it off. Okay. Bella, sit. 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 There you go. Everyone wants to see you. Everyone wants to see you eating some kale. All right, Bubbles. The last bit's for you. This one's the toughest bit to eat. Oh, but you wanted it. All right. Well, that's it for us this morning. I'm gonna go hit the gym, get a smoothie in, and got a lot. Hey, don't lick my headphones. I got a lot of work to do today, but wanted to stop in, say hello, tell you we love you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you very, very soon.